Welcome to this comprehensive guide on digital asset management platforms. In this video, we'll explore the best tools available for managing media libraries and organizing brand assets. Whether you're a small content creator or managing assets for a large organization, understanding these platforms will help you streamline your workflow and keep your creative files organized and accessible. Digital Asset Management, or DAM, is a centralized system where you store all your creative files in one organized location. Instead of scattering images, videos, and documents across multiple folders and drives, a DAM platform acts as a single hub. It makes searching for files incredibly easy through tagging and metadata. You can track different versions of your assets, manage who has access to what, and enable seamless collaboration across your team. Essentially, it's the backbone of efficient content creation and distribution. Every DAM platform offers essential features. First, advanced tagging and metadata systems let you instantly find what you need. Second, integration capabilities connect your DAM with design tools, marketing platforms, and your existing workflows. Third, analytics and reporting show you which assets are being used most and how they're performing. Finally, automated workflows streamline approval processes and asset distribution, saving your team countless hours of manual work. There are several leading DAM platforms on the market. Adobe Experience Manager is ideal for large enterprises managing massive amounts of assets. Widen offers flexibility and customization for creative teams. Kaltura specializes in video and multimedia content. BrandKit focuses on modern brand asset management. Pix.io provides an intuitive solution for small to medium teams. And Canto serves as a collaborative digital assets hub for content teams worldwide. Each platform has unique strengths depending on your organization's specific needs. Adobe Experience Manager is the enterprise-grade solution for large organizations handling massive amounts of digital assets. It integrates seamlessly with the entire Adobe Creative Suite, which is a huge advantage if your team already uses Adobe tools. The platform features powerful artificial intelligence-powered image recognition that automatically tags and categorizes your assets. It supports advanced multi-channel publishing, allowing you to distribute content across various platforms simultaneously. However, it's an enterprise solution with pricing starting at $25,000 or more annually, so it's best suited for larger budgets. Widen is perfect for mid to large creative teams needing a flexible and scalable asset management system. What makes Widen special is its highly customizable workflows and interface that adapt to your unique processes. It has strong brand asset management capabilities and offers excellent APIs for custom integrations with your existing tools. With advanced permission and access controls, you maintain security while enabling team collaboration. Pricing typically ranges from $5,000 to $50,000 annually, making it accessible for growing organizations while maintaining enterprise-level features. Kaltura is specifically designed for organizations with heavy video content and multimedia asset management needs. It excels at specialized video transcoding and processing, handling different video formats and resolutions efficiently. The platform supports live streaming and interactive video features, making it ideal for media-rich content. Kaltura provides advanced analytics and engagement metrics to understand how your video content performs. It offers a flexible media catalog and organization system. Enterprise pricing typically ranges from $10,000 to $100,000 or more annually, reflecting its specialized capabilities. For teams looking for more accessible options, Pix.io and Canto are excellent choices. Pix.io is an intuitive cloud-based solution perfect for small to medium teams. It features a user-friendly interface, fast search and organization capabilities, and competitive pricing ranging from $99 to $499 per month. Canto is a collaborative digital assets hub designed for content teams worldwide. It offers strong team collaboration tools, powerful annotation features for feedback and review, and global accessibility. Canto pricing ranges from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on your team size and storage needs. Let's compare these platforms across key dimensions. Adobe Experience Manager is best for large enterprises at $25,000 per year and requires more technical expertise. Widen serves creative teams at $5,000 to $50,000 per year with moderate complexity. Kaltura targets video-heavy organizations at $10,000 to $100,000 plus per year. Pix.io is ideal for small to medium teams at $99 to $499 per month with an easy interface. Canto serves content teams at $500 to $5,000 per month, also with an easy-to-use interface. Your choice depends on your organization's size, budget, and specific needs. Choosing the right DAM platform requires evaluating several factors. First, consider your team size. Small teams benefit from user-friendly solutions like Pix.io, while large enterprises need robust solutions like Adobe Experience Manager or Widen. Second, evaluate your budget. Small to medium businesses should look at solutions between $99 and $5,000 per month, while enterprises should budget $5,000 to $100,000 or more annually. Third, think about your content type. If you work primarily with videos, Kaltura is excellent. For images and design files, Pix.io or Canto work great. Finally, consider your integration needs. If you use Adobe tools extensively, go with Adobe Experience Manager. If you need flexible APIs for custom connections, Widen is your best bet. Remember these 4 essential points. First, digital asset management is essential for any organization handling creative assets. These platforms streamline organization, discovery, and distribution of your media. Second, choose a solution that matches your specific needs. There's no one-size-fits-all platform. Third, start small and scale up as your organization grows. You don't need an enterprise solution from day one. Begin with affordable solutions like Pix.io and upgrade as your needs expand. Finally, always test platforms with your actual workflows before making long-term commitments. Most providers offer trial periods, so take advantage of them to ensure the platform fits your team's needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.